Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and activate MS Office 2019. The first of all, you should want to right-click on my computer, properties, and then look at here. This is a 32-bit operating system. So for 32-bit operating system, we will run a file. I will just open my MS Office file location. Yes. Okay, look at here. This option is for 32-bit and this is for 64-bit. I will select this one and then click install MS Office. The installation has begun. I will increase the speed of this video. Now the installation is being completed. Let's go to the activation page. Go to utilities and Office Retail. Completed. Okay, just open an MS Word file to confirm is it activated or not. Look at this, here is no any option for activation, so it means that our office is now activated. If you have any question, you may please ask in comments box. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.